Bodybuilding isn't just big muscles. It's the process of improving your body through training, recovery, and eating right. In this video, we'll go from zero, simple movements anyone can do, to advanced calisthenics and weight training. Bodybuilding focuses on building muscle size, strength, and shape. You can do this with bodyweight training, calisthenics, or lifting weights. The method changes, but the goal stays the same. Build more muscle than you had yesterday. You don't need weights to start. The key is moving your body every day. Push-ups build your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Squats build your legs and improve balance. Planks strengthen your core. And even walking boosts your overall health. These basics wake up your muscles and prepare your body for harder training later. Calisthenics is training using your own body weight. It builds strength, control, and impressive skills. Once push-ups and squats feel easy, you can move to dips, pull-ups, and more advanced moves. Calisthenics develops real functional strength. And it's free. If you can master your own body weight, you already understand the foundation of bodybuilding. Weight training adds progressive overload. That means you make the muscle work harder over time by increasing the weight or reps. This is how bodybuilders grow bigger muscles consistently. Basic lifts, like bench press, squats, rows, and shoulder presses, target major muscle groups and help you build a balanced physique. You start light, focus on form, and get stronger week after week. Muscle grows when you stress it, feed it, and let it recover. Train hard. Eat enough protein. Sleep. That's the formula whether you do calisthenics or lift weights. Start simple. Learn the basics. Move every day. Then level up with calisthenics or weight training. Bodybuilding is a long journey, but the first step starts with your own body. Stay consistent, stay active, and build the strongest version of yourself.